Boeing, Caterpillar stocks rise as investors bet a China trade deal will come soon, Jim Cramer says. Investors made a move on industrial stocks in anticipation that a U.S.-China trade agreement is near completion, CNBC's Jim Cramer said Thursday. The world's two largest economies reportedly made progress in trade talks this week, and stocks gained on the news. The Dow Jones the Nasdaq, on the other hand, shed 0.1%. While Cramer said Boeing's stock should have fallen Thursday after investigators blamed the plane manufacturer, not the pilots, for an Ethiopian Airlines crash that killed 157 people last month. The company has been, but China, in an effort to show good faith in trade negotiations, could be prepared to make a statement. China could also buy equipment from Caterpillar, he said. Cramer said, Additionally, retailers will be a winner if a trade deal eases tariffs on Chinese imports, Cramer said. Investors could also pay. Questions for Cramer? Call Cramer 1-800-743-CNBC. Want to take a deep dive into Cramer's world? Hit him up. Questions, comments, suggestions for the mat.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.